just need to show you this because it's crazy. As you can see, this is 3 minutes with the KISSBOBOs, and look at that. Look, I'm not lying. They are really, really good. 7 minutes, and I'm having to stop. It's I've had to really speed this bit up because the pork came out so slowly and it just weren't satisfying at all. 1 ounce in 7 minutes. So this one's on 9 minutes. It's almost full. Actually pumping on level 3. My mum meds I use level 8 and level 10. So, whereas these I've used 3 and 4. Oh! Got a better angle because the port is there. 18 minutes to see what we've got. So I've got another ounce in there. In this side I've got another ounce. This side pours a lot better. So I've got 15.5 ounces. Is really good.